What's up guys? Another vlog. This time papagata ko naman sa inyo yung mga kaganapan nung pumunta kami nung northern part of Cebu. Hope you like it and don't forget to like and subscribe.
So what's up? I'm here at Cebu. So mag-isa lang ako ngayon. So natay ko pa mamaya sila Onats kasi maya pa yung dating ko. Actually maya lang. Kaya walang kami ng pinagmulan. So yun guys, sana dumating na sila kasi isa lang ako dito. Dito pala kayo pupunta. Diyan kami pupunta. So sana dumating na sila. Kasi mahirap mag-isa. So yun na nga, dito na ako sa SM North. Actually, hindi naman talaga ako pumunta sa ibang lugar. SM North na talaga to guys. So, peace out!
So yun, what's up? Ako yung sa north, Cebu. Puntang Bantayan, saka Malapascua. Okay. Yan lang. Yo, peace out. Airport.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah. Memory lane, isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby.
So yun ang mga kapuso, mga apam kasama namin ngayon. So 2 up, 2 down, peace out, yeah.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I will take the hit and still finish in one, yeah. Memory lane, isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never.
Guys, sobrang haba pala ng sandbar na to. So na lang magsasawang puntahan. At saka napakainit pa, my God.
Yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow.
One down, 2 down, peace out. Bye.
First stop, Virgin Islands. Virgin.
My favorite part, cliff jumping. Yeah. So, open naman siya. Let's go. Yo. Let's go. Sama na. So guys, yun na. Cliff jumping today. Favorite part ko yun tumatalon-talon. Tapos, yung sasalo sa'yo tubig lang. Yan na yung mga single life. Walang sasalo sa'yo kung tubig lang. Yung masama pa doon, pagbagsak mo, unang mukha, lakda. So guys, dahil dito nakatalon ako, isa kang alamat, Red Horse Beer. Yo, day 2 land tour. Pick your motorbike. Hey guys. Ano kayo maganda? Say hi! Hi kayo! Anong camp ka? Sawi ka. Wala kang jowa eh. Bye! Well. Saan tayo ngayon? Sa may mangrove farm. So guys, oops! Ano ba yun? Camp Sawi pa rin tayo. At hinahanap ko yung Camp Wagi. Dapat winner pa din. Waging Wagi. So, pupuntahin ko yung Camp Wagi. Ano yan? Hey guys, finally I found it. Camp Wagi. Peace out. Hey guys. Ito yung beach ng mga nakakota na beach. Yo beach, nakakota ka na beach. Kota beach. So what's up guys? Nakapag-freshen up na kami. And back to the hotel.
Low-key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy.
Hi guys, back in Cebu. Pagpasok mo ng door na to, doon ako galing. Ito yung bubungan sa'yo. One door para sa room and one door for the CR. Tapos, may mga shelf siya dito. Lagay ng gamit. Yan. Tapos, ceiling. Tapos, another shelf. Yun, may dalawang artificial vase. Another shelf dito sa gilid. Yan. And then, pagpasok mo ng room, ito yung bubungan sa'yo. Isang double bed, saka isang single bed. So, tatlo kami, dalawa dyan, isa doon. Baka doon ako. And then, yun, ito, of course, laging dapat may aircon. Para comfortable yung pagtulog. Single bed, double bed. Ayun, may things. Yan, may dalawa siyang cabinet dyan. Pwede lagay ng mga gamit. Yung 3 na towel for the 3 person. Yun. Salamin. O yun guys, what's up? TV, big TV, cable, may Netflix din. And then yun, telephone na hindi nakasaksak. Yun lang guys, okay naman dito. Thank you Trivago, napakamura lang, nakakuha ng discounts Trivago. Peace out! And then guys, for the CR, room tour tayo. Yun ang bubungad sa inyo. Yan, malinis naman siya. May room, may shower. I think hot and cold meron sila. And then, yun, may bidet. Bidet is life. And then, yo, what's up? Ako ulit. Yun lang guys, Trivago, you're the best.
Yo, check out. Peace out. Hey guys, pabalik na.
It's my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still.
Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing videos. This is Chris. Peace out.